Welcome to Little Talkers English Channel. Hello, I am your friend. Hello, today we learn English for kids. Say hello. Good job. Say Mommy. Hi there. Yay. Say Daddy. Say Daddy. Good job. You're learning so well. I'm so proud of you. Say brother. Say brother. Say sister. Say sister. Say baby. Baby. Good job. Say grandmom. Say grandmom. Say granddad. Bye-bye. This is for today. See you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.